So this is day, I don't know, 456. Seems like it. I shut it off last night about 1:30. Last thing we did was string alignment on the front end. It was not an instructional video. There's plenty of those home alignment things. If you take your time, you don't have to go to the shop. You can get it just as close. Think about it. I mean, it's just another guy doing it at a shop. The difference is he has these things that bolt to your tires that do the same thing as the strings. I'm not saying don't ever do that. What I'm saying is you can do it if you can do it. You can do it. So today is, I got a list, but first thing we're going to start with is bleeding the brakes. So I don't remember how many times I took those tires off yesterday. I didn't count, but it was a bunch. So here we go again. We're guessing these things are going to open without too much difficulty. It's optimistic. So those things are painter's cups. They go in the paint gun. They seal so they don't spill. There's a filter in the top. That one's been used, but the other ones are clean. And you can see that there's fluid dripping in there right now. So make sure you keep the reservoir topped off. And then you can take one, fill it up, and then you have a funnel for going back in the reservoir. That one's not draining. That one's draining really good. So you can do it by yourself. It's just gravity bleeding. The tapping with the hammer is to help dislodge any air bubbles in there. Tap around. Once you get a solid stream of brake fluid, you're pretty good. And then I like to go and pump on the brakes and build up the pressure and then do it all over again. And then you're done. So this is an example of what came out of the brake line. So it's running through the hose. There's a filter in here, and that's on the top of the filter. And that's after pretty much the entire brake system's been replaced. So still some debris in there. But that stuff, when it's not filtered out, is just going to settle down into the bottom of the caliper inside the piston area, and it'll build up down there. And then what happens is over time that piston won't go all the way back as your pads wear, and then when you try to push it in to put in new pads, it won't go all the way back because there's a lot of debris. But we've already taken the rotor or the calipers apart, popped the piston out, cleaned it. Those are brand new calipers up front, so we should be pretty clean on the inside. So that's it for one human brake bleeding.